Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and welcome to Free Watch Face Tuesday. I think I picked some good ones this time. Let's check them out. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and we got a couple of nice watch faces in the lineup. They are free for the taking, but I don't know how long it's going to last. It's been discounted down to $0 for right now, so I suggest you go download right away. All right, you all, the name of the first watch face that we're going to review today is called WFP 0099 Digital Collection. Very nice looking watch face when it's on. In always on mode, it's just going to be in a black and white thing, which is pretty cool. I like it. You're going to get the same information. Now when it's on, you can customize the color up to 20 different colors, which I thought was super awesome. We'll show you a few of them in a second. Now up at the top, you will get info on your heart rate, calories burned. This meter over here represents your step. The one to the right represents your battery info. In the center, as you can see, big bold digital numbers for time, which I need. And down at the bottom, you get the day of the week highlighted in red to let you know what day it is. Now you come down, you're also going to get info on your distance walked or ran. You're also going to get your count, and you come down, you get info right in that little gauge right there to let you know how many floors you have climbed. I didn't do too good today. Not today. Let's try this tomorrow. All right, so down at the bottom, they do give you shortcuts. You can go into your phone, make a phone call, check your messages, things of that nature, your weather. And what I like that they have is what is called a switcher. Now you have them on both sides, and pretty much what you can do with this is set your favorite, which I love, right? So if I double tap, I can customize this to be whatever I want: alarm, email, contacts, app gallery. So if I put app gallery in and I single tap, it'll go right to the app gallery, which I thought was pretty cool. I mean, it's a nice added convenient feature, right? So check this out. Now you get 20 different colors, right? We're gonna cycle through a few. This is one. You got red, and it changes the theme also. I'm gonna double tap right here just to cycle through a few of them. And they got something that's like, one is camouflage. They got another couple of themes that are different from colors, and I'm telling you, for free, you can't beat this. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store, guys. All right, and it is interactive, so if I tap right here, I can go in and bring my calendar. I tap right here, I can set an alarm. And yes, you get your info on your heart rate and step status, calorie burn. This is a nice watch face to have in your lineup, so check it out. Let's check out watch face number 2 now. Watch face number 2, this one is called WFP 0077 Weather Imaginations. This one is nice. I like the uniqueness and the style of this watch face. In the always on mode, you're going to get this. In the dim mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part. And when it's on, yes, you are going to get the best of both worlds, digital and analog. And the analog hand looks pretty nice, as well as the fact that you're going to get a second hand that's going to go around the bezel of the watch as well. Add some character to the watch face. I thought was nice. Now, if you look at the top, you will get the days of the week. Again, you come down, you get your digital time, and what I really like down at the bottom, you get your battery percentage on both sides. You get your month and your day, and you do get shortcuts like your settings. You can go into your phone, you can check out your music. I thought that was a nice added touch for convenience, and it is interactive, so if I tap right there, I can get my calendar. If I tap right here, I can go in and get the weather. So I thought, considering that this watch face was free, it was pretty cool. The only downside to this will probably be that this is not a Fahrenheit watch face. That you can see is Celsius. So I don't know if that's going to be a deal breaker for you. But again, considering that it's free, it is not bad. But if I double tap in the center, I could change it. Well, on the 9, I could change the theme of the watch face. I thought was pretty nice, right? Just double tap and it'll cycle through all the different themes. And you just cycle through all of them. You get about 18 to 19 different ones that I thought was pretty cool. Let me cycle through just to give you an idea what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Has a lot of different colors. I'm liking this one. Again, remember people, this is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you go download right away. I'm trying to cycle through all of them to give you a chance to see the awesome look of this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.